please subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video.
Tulsian of sptulsian.com is with us now. Mr. Tulsian, good morning. Thoughts first on HDFC Bank after the kind of earnings that they reported?
See, I don't think that there is any kind of disappointment. Yes, maybe wholesale banking, the income which has fell quite a lot, probably, but I don't think that these things are seen to be too much, by the banks, because now they are in the 20% growth trajectory, maybe till FY14 or FY15. The bank used to, I'm taking it on a yearly basis, used to report a PAT growth of anywhere between 25 to 27%. But for last 3 to 4 years on a yearly growth basis in the bottom line, it has come to a level of 20%, which they've been maintaining. No complaint on the asset quality. One can argue that the credit growth of 18% plus is seen on the lower side, but I don't think that that is so. So maybe except for the wholesale banking, where the EBIT has fallen to 2,800 crore from about 3,400 crore on a sequential basis, probably could be a disappointment. But that has been caught and recovered in much better way with the explosive growth seen in the retail segment, which is more healthy. So overall good numbers, but not very exciting that which can warrant a share price of about maybe 2 to 3%, because if you take on a valuation parameter still ruling at a P of maybe 24 on FY19 earning price to go 4.1, 4.2. So they are those parameters are making it almost at a fully valued level. But I'm not disappointed and expect a mild positive opening for the behavior for the share price during the day.
Okay, good morning, Mr. Tulsian. Likewise, Indiabulls Housing, that actually was very good in terms of loan growth, 34%.
See, excellent numbers. In fact, I would say Indiabulls Housing, because one should not only see for the Q4 numbers, because Q4 generally for these finance companies are also seen to be quite good when I compare it with on other 3 quarters. But if you take again, the credit growth and the bottom line growth, credit growth of about 34%, and maybe one may argue that there has been shrinkage in their net interest margin. But if you want to increase your market share and if you want to grow, you have to compromise a bit on that front. Their asset quality is seen quite stable. Even bottom line growth, which is again a key indicator on when you analyze the annual numbers, along with Q4, the 31% increase in the bottom line is really seen phenomenal. So I think that, because the way I've discussed about HDFC Bank, that earlier they used to be in the 25 to 30% trajectory. Same thing is seen happening with Indiabulls Housing Finance, having posted a growth of 31% in the bottom line on FY18 over FY17. And I don't think that there is any kind of disappointment, because on a QOQ basis, except for in Q3, they have booked a huge income, because of the mutual funds and all sort of things. So the other income is seeing lower in Q4 over a sequential basis. But on a YOY basis and FY18 to FY17, the numbers are seen to be phenomenal.
Mr. Tulsian, before we thank you, just wanted your thoughts on, I know you have been positive on, oil marketing companies, but this year you believe they will be high beat. There's this report that perhaps excise duty could be cut. You reckon that could bring some buying back into the oil marketing companies sentimentally?
See, definitely, because that will be, again, as I've said, that they are high beta stocks. So if that news comes in, which I don't rule out the possibility, then that will be seen extremely positive again, making the stocks to move up by about 5 to 7% or maybe 6 to 8%, largely because of the renewed buying and the short covering. But these type of high beta, as I said, has to be caught looking to in conjunction with the fundamentals also, and which I've said on Friday also, that all 3 OMCs, even if we don't see these type of news flows coming in, seem to have bottomed out. But if this comes in, definitely this will make all 3 OMCs to move up by 6 to 8% on the upper side.